Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 3,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
The 2005 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, stability control, traction control, CD changer, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Eight locations, 13 brands, over 2,500 new and used vehicles online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.